What up, guys? It's your girl Rain. So summer is fast approaching, and that means that some of us will be going to camp, some of us will be going to cottages, some will just be staying in the city or wherever you live. You know, that's okay. And I'm going to camp, which is very, very exciting, and that means I had to go get some new gear, and I went to MEC, whatever you want to call it, Mountain Equipment Co-op. So I just thought that I'd give you guys a little haul and show you guys what I got, because, you know, it's pretty cool. So, you know, let's do it. Okay, first off, got this cute little bug jacket that I'm just sitting in. It is the, this bug jacket. I got the adult small. The ultimate protection against mosquitoes and other flying insects. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's got a really tall hood, and the favorite feature is the fact the hood can unzip. Oh, I can see again. Because when you're eating breakfast, you want to be able to eat while having your bug jacket on so the bugs don't eat you while you're eating. Item number 2, this is a staple if you go to camp and you're doing like camping trips. This is Camp Suds. So it is a biodegradable soap that is multi-purpose, so you can use it to wash yourself, wash your dishes, wash your hair, wash the boat, you know, laundry, anything like that. Even just like this much will go a very long way. Very useful. And the container is a Nalgene reusable. Can't see it, but it says Nalgene reusable. Item number 3 is this bug lotion. Wow. It's the Great Outdoors insect repellent. So my counselor recommended this to me before last summer. It is really, really strong, so you only want to use a bit because it's like a little bit toxic, but like not too bad, you know, just enough to keep the bugs away. And it's lotion, which is nicer than spray, and it doesn't smell horrible, so I would recommend getting it. Even just the 80 milliliter will last you like 2 or 3 summers. I just, like, for you, I had one last year and we ended up sharing it, so I needed some more. Yeah, I'd recommend. Item number 4. It's a brand new bucket hat with a string. Gonna put it with my bun on. Pretty cute. It is awesome. I got it. So it's, let's see what the tag says. It is it's the Rome bucket hat. I got the medium. It's like water repellent-ish and will dry quickly, and it has a string, which is what I really wanted because I want to make sure it doesn't fly off my head. And also it's got a flexible top, which means that it can be folded up if I need to. Also, I can wear my whitewater helmet with it, which is important. Number 5, and the last item that I bought at MEC yesterday, was just this like plain old quick dry black long sleeve shirt. I really just needed another one. I have like a green quick dry t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, but it gets dirty pretty quickly, and I figured I would just have a backup, you know? So I got the medium, women's medium. It's designed in Canada, and it is the T1 long sleeved crew. I'd recommend. It says that it has sun protection rating, which is excellent. It's a 40. Yeah, so that's about it. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what your plans are for the summer. Yep, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah. Peace out.